Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to watch movies on Etihad Airways. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad Airways? Launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar type etihad.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Etihad. Once you get into the official website, go ahead and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to watch movies on Etihad Airways. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have Book, Manage, Experience, Destinations, Help, and Etihad Guest. Head over to Experience, and you have these three categories which include onboard, before you fly, sustainability. Head over to where you have onboard. You have our cabins, athletes, meals on board, amenity kits, flying with children, and of course you have in-flight entertainment. Now go ahead and click on in-flight entertainment. I'm going to show you what next to do from here. Unwind with our in-flight entertainment. So unbox on-demand entertainment on eBox. So choose to tune in or tune out on board with eBox, your entertainment hub with over 1,000 hours of on-demand flight entertainment on your personal safe back screen. So this is it. So go ahead and click on see what's on for you to explore all of this. So I'm just going to show you how you can now connect to the eBox etihad.com. So here you go. Connect to www.ebox-etihad.com. So click on this from your device during your journey. Then once you do that, remember to bring your headphones with you for your flight. Then charging ports are available in your seat area. Just bring along your charging cable. So you can click on this www.ebox, click on that, and so you have the eBox stream. Here you go. Now you can stream movies. So you will need your so I cannot really do this right because I cannot access this eBox because I have not booked a flight. But once you do that, just follow through with that process. So click on this and connect. Once you connect, then just go ahead and have fun. So this is pretty much the process. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.